What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tony, and today I want to show you guys how I made this right here.
Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up.
Alright, so I took these at a recent Travis Scott show. I personally like to call that the stop motion effect. That's how I call it. All right, so first thing first, you got to make sure you put your camera setting in burst mode, so it can capture multiple images in a short span of time. And all of these are just still images. And the more images you capture, the longer the video will be. So when we stack these photos together in Premiere, it will be like a video playing. So it'll just be like multiple images, but it will play frame by frame. Here are all the images that I took. So started from right here, and I've already went and like edited mine. Just like quick little light edit. So I'm not gonna export them again because I already have them exported. And then import the images to Premiere Pro. So just click one of the photos, hit Option, and then make sure you check this box right here, image sequence, because it'll import all those images all in one. So it went ahead and stacked all the images together, as you can see the preview right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag this and put it on the timeline, keep existing settings. And then on effect control, I'm gonna scale it down to like 38. So it fits in frame. So I also recorded video at the show. I was recording video as well. So I just extracted like the live audio from that video, and then I just put it underneath.
Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up.
See, that one is way more better. Alright guys, and that's basically it. I just wanted to make a quick little video on how I made this right here. I call it the stop motion effect. Alright, so that's it guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe. Peace.